Cutting across to my colleague Maushmi, who's joining us from the national capital with the very latest. Maushmi, you and I both know that we're going to be smiling because this must be the 30th time. I really can't see you. I'm all the way in Bhopal. But I know you're smiling because it's the 30th or the 40th time where you've been asked the same question over the last couple of days. What's going on, Maushmi? Will Rahul Gandhi contest Amethi? Priyanka Gandhi this time seemingly ruled out from Raebareli.
30th time, Preeti has spoken to me on live, and 100 times we've spoken on the phone about what could happen and what's the permutation and combination that the Congress could throw in a Raebareli and Amethi. But yes, in all likelihood, as we know that Priyanka Gandhi is not willing to contest the Lok Sabha polls. The persuasion we are told throughout the day, I spoke to several Congress leaders. They were as clueless as us. They said only 3 people know. Perhaps Mallikarjun Kharge has spoken to Rahul Gandhi yet again. The dilemma is that if he wins both constituencies, Amethi and Wayanad, which one would he lead? And he's saying, having committed to the people of Wayanad, he's not ready to, in fact, turn his back on either of them. So that's the big dilemma, that Rahul Gandhi wants to go on a single seat. And that really leaves the question, if no Priyanka and yet again no Rahul Gandhi in Amethi and Raebareli, what will happen to the Congress's hopes and fortunes in the entire north?
Well, you are right. When can we hear on both the seats? Third is when is the final day for filing nominations for Raebareli or Amethi, Maushmi?
Right, Preeti. So it's already very late. We are told that by tomorrow we would hear. Some say that on the 2nd by 2 p.m. The cards, Congress will open its cards. Remember, once Kharge had said that it's going to be a surprise. It will surprise everyone. Then Kharge said that it will be a local candidate to our colleague Rahul Gautam. That it will be somebody local. Then Kharge's name also was being speculated, and he said, I'm not contesting. So lots of twists and turns. I think if not tomorrow, then by the 2nd afternoon, the Congress could push it maximum. Otherwise, it will be very, very late. And there is also pressure from the alliance members of the likes of Akhilesh Yadav and others who would be doing some talking to Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party at large, because it will impact their fortunes as well, they believe.
All right, Maushmi, appreciate you joining us.